Hi, it's Dr. Robinson, and today I'm going to talk about how you can convert anything into a DOC or a docx. I'm on Calibre site or Calibri, based on which country you're from, is going to be based on how you're going to pronounce that word. It's an ebook management system. It's Calibre or Calibri as in Calibre dash ebook.com/download underscore Windows. It actually has a Mac version and several other versions. So just don't put the download underscore Windows and just type in the caliber.ebook.com and enter and open, and you'll see all the other different platforms you can download. I downloaded the 64-bit because I'm using Windows 11. If you have Windows 10, of course, go to the link and you have here. I just went to the download button, hit download, and voila, went to File Explorer and then unzip it. So I'm just going to bypass all those things because you don't need to watch me do it because I'm pretty sure you know how all anyway. So if you're a screen reader user, it's going to take a lot of tabbing. I wish I could tell you there's some really quick, easy commands to get to right where you want to be really fast. Eh, not really. Anyway, if I want to take an EPUB book, I have an EPUB book, I downloaded it, and it's the only thing they offered, but we have screen reader students, so of course we want to get it into a docx so they can quickly navigate to where they need to be. And then, of course, if it's any math whatsoever, they can use the Word Math Editor and Braille Math Editor to transcribe as they need. So anyway, I want to convert a book. I already added it. So I just clicked on Add Book, File Explorer opened, just double click on your EPUB, pretty easy, and enter, and it loads. And you can see that it is in my title, Summer of Mariposa. I want to convert this book because I want to convert it from EPUB into docx. Now, all I is input format or control home. It's the very first option, and it says EPUB because it's pretty smart. It knows what this book is. I downloaded it as an EPUB, and you tab or Alt O to output format, and it still says EPUB, so you actually have to go and pick it. And there's so many different formats. I'm going to choose docx. And then I click OK. I don't want any more copies of than this. So I just click OK, and of course it translates this into a beautiful text. So now let me go ahead and show you how absolutely gorgeous Mariposa. Let me get that in there properly. And so you just go to File Explorer and open it. And let me get to it because it's taking its sweet time. There you go. And I just do a little bit of cleanup to get it nice and easy for the screen reader user. Now, this is a low vision student, so I do keep the pictures in there. I just blow them up really big. So we do the transcribing for a lot of the students just because we've done this so long and we do it really pretty fast. When they get into later in high school, they absolutely need to know how to do this themselves. Anyway, you can use your headings list, insert F5, quick nav keys on, of course, insert Z, and move through the book so beautifully and quickly. Use your links list and go to right where you need to go. You can turn on Spanish so they get the Spanish and the English version of this. And of course, you can download your languages. We use JAWS typically. Kids do need to learn NVDA and all the other languages also. But anyway, if you're visual, you can see how beautifully this translated from EPUB into docx. So it is just a really nice feature in order if you just don't want to use Thumbreader Reader or any of the other EPUB readers and you want to be able to have the text right there. And when it comes to math, I'm going to tell you, this is really critical. Otherwise, you can copy and paste typically a few items at a time if you're using Vital Source or other EPUB readers, and that just takes a long time. So if you can get this into docx, it just makes life a whole lot easier for the blind student. Anyway, Calibre or Calibri, based on what country you're from, and calibri-ebook.com and download your copy. And I always, these people are really great. They are coding all of this. So do support any free item, please do support them in their efforts because, of course, they're putting all this out free and they're doing the coding for free because they're just trying to make life better for everyone out there. And we just really greatly appreciate that. Okay, thanks everybody. And that is how you do that and make your life easier. We will see you on the next recording.